Today on CGI Pony Parts, we're going to improve the performance of this 2013 Focus ST for under $100. The Focus ST is a powerful car right from the factory, but there's always room for improvement. So today we're going to be installing the Steeda Throttle Body Spacer on this 2013 Focus ST. This Steeda Throttle Body Spacer is designed to fit your 2013 to 18 Focus ST and your 16 to 18 RS. It's made of high quality CNC machine built aluminum, and it's designed to easily bolt on your Focus to increase intake plenum volume for improved power and efficiency. It comes with everything you need to make install a breeze, so let's get to it. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, 5mm hex key, an extension, and a trim panel removal tool. Alright, the first thing that we did was pop the hood. Now we're going to remove the engine cover. Disconnect this line right here from the 3 clips on the intake manifold. Disconnect the map sensor. Remove the sound symposer hose, just pull it off. Loosen the hose clamp on the throttle body with a 7mm socket. Remove the 5 10mm bolts that secure the intake manifold to the cylinder head. Now we can remove the intake manifold. You're going to have to wiggle it out of the hose that goes to the throttle body. Unplug this connector right here. Remove this connector from the intake manifold. Unlock the green clip on this cam line and pull it off. Locate the PCV fitting on the back of the intake manifold. Squeeze it on the sides to remove it. Pop off the connector right next to the sound symposer. You're going to lift the intake manifold up, and this is about as far as you can get, and then there's one more connector on the throttle body. Pull on the red tab to unlock it, then unplug it. So we have the intake manifold on the table now, and we're going to remove the 4 bolts that secure the throttle body. All 4 of them are 8mm. We can now install the throttle body spacer onto the intake manifold. You're going to put the flat part of the spacer on the gasket on the intake manifold. That way the O-ring on the spacer is against the throttle body, and then make sure once this is installed that you can read Steeda when everything is together. Install 2 of the provided washers on each bolt and secure the throttle body with the new bolts. And make sure you don't crank down on these too hard. This is a plastic intake manifold and you don't want to crack it. It can now be installed back in the Focus. The intake manifold is ready to go back in the car, and we're actually in the middle of doing an oil catch can at the same time. This is a really good time to do this. Just rest it in here, and then we'll get all the things connected to it. Reconnect the connector on the throttle body. Lock the red tab. Reinstall everything on the passenger side of the intake manifold. And get the intake manifold onto the head. Reinstall all the bolts. Tighten up the hose clamp on the throttle body. Reconnect the sound symposer tube. Reconnect the cam hose. And lastly, reinstall the engine cover. And our installation's finished. Okay, we got our Steeda Throttle Body Spacer installed. It's definitely gonna help this Focus to breathe a little bit better. And I'd recommend while you're in there with the intake manifold out, do an oil separator while you're in there if you haven't already done one. Installing this throttle body spacer is probably gonna take you about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading on the road.